Hi guys, welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had positive and productive weeks this week. So this week I will be painting The Cruel Prince by Holly Black. So this week is slightly different to other weeks because I actually paint this book by hand. I didn't see much point in making thorn stencils when they're pretty easy and quick to do by hand. So this is what it looks like. It's a white shimmery background. I don't know if you can sort of see in this light, but the white actually sort of shimmers with a gold crown. Oh, there we go, I've just about caught it. And then matte black thorns. I think in total it took me about an hour and a half to do in terms of actual painting. But yeah, it was really fun. I absolutely adored this series. I adored reading this series. So one of the first books I ever sprayed was actually the entire trilogy. And the reason I haven't shown it to you guys is it was appalling. It was atrocious. I did some interesting designs, which I still like, but it was sort of more of an experimental series. The first time I was ever like applying these techniques to books and a lot of things like that. So I'm not going to share it because they don't look great. You know, runny paint and stencils that didn't quite work and using techniques that didn't pan out. But it was nice to go back to the series and actually have something that looks really nice, really finished and really polished. So yeah, without any more wittering, we'll just jump into the time lapse. Again, here is the finished product for you guys to have a look. I'll hold it back here so you guys can see. So as you can see, this book doesn't really enjoy staying together very much, and that is because I've kind of manhandled this book. I read it on the go, gosh, about 10, maybe 11 months ago, just after the second one in the series came out, because I somehow missed the hype with the first book. But that's when I read it. If you guys saw my Yalk vlog, you'll know I picked it up at Yalk. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more book art, book defacing videos. I'm also planning on doing a Wish notebook haul very soon. I did order these before the COVID-19 thing happened and just haven't got around to filming the video. They've been sat on my shelf for about 10, maybe 11 weeks, probably longer, and they mostly all arrived in 2019, so no need to worry about that, but I will get onto filming that at some point. Another one to come is the Daughter of the Pirate King, Daughter of the Siren Queen, the Saviour's Champion, Stalking Jack the Ripper, and front cover defacing for A Court of Mist and Fury and A Court of Wings and Ruin. So yeah, there's all of these great things to come. They'll be on here, they'll be on my Instagram, and I hope you guys have positive and productive weeks, and I'll see you next time.